Welcome back.
It's Parens of the error handling.
Episode 1, which is a part of Parents of the Dead.
Episode?
And the very 13th episode. Terrible error handling. Everything will go wrong in this episode.
We are taking sort of a break from features.
Yeah.
Because we know from experience that we tend to mess things up.
Yeah. And we have multiple matches around our code base, and those tend to throw exceptions.
Yeah. So we want to fix this error handling.
Yes, because now we have this ornamentary try-catch, which doesn't really doesn't really catch a lot of the potential errors here.
That's true.
And there's also some duplication, so we figured we kind of refactor this a little bit, make it a little bit more stupid proof.
Yeah, stupid proof, which we need.
Yeah. So in the first part, we create some events, we create a game, and then we create some actions. And then in the second part, we create some events, we create a game, and then we create some actions.
Yeah, that's very, very interesting because let's try this.
Because doing all those things might produce an error. And if it does, then we want the client to tell us.
So I'm thinking that we have some sort of function. I'm not sure what it's called yet.
No.
But it takes a game and it takes events.
Interesting, because creating the events could cause trouble.
Creating the events is what happens in perform command. So maybe...
I have an idea.
Okay.
What if, because in the first block of code, the events come from get initial events. But what if that was a command?
Oh, wow, I like it. I really like it.
So then you could just have a game and command, and out from that, you'll get game events and actions.
It's excellent. It is excellent. We don't need the events at that point. We just need the game and the actions.
Yep.
So I'm going to return a new game and some actions. So I'm going to do...
And also events. No, you don't need to return events.
I don't need the events unless I want to look at them.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do perform command, and then I will have... This will give me some events. And then I will do update the game. This is a new game. And I will get some actions.
It's not called initial events. It's called events. And then you'll get some actions from that. Yeah, sure.
So
and then if at some point we wanted to persist the events to a database or whatever, we could add that. Yeah. But we're not doing that now. So that's why we can just throw the events away.
This is pretty nice.
It's pretty nice.
And what is it called?
It's called perform command. That's what it's called. And it needs to do try catch as well.
It needs to do try catch. And do we want... No, the stack trace tells us which one of these failed. So we can just do a try catch around the whole thing.
If we had a more high fidelity error handling on the client, then we could add some more stuff. But right now we're just persistering the exception.
That's true.
But we could pass like a data structure that said where did it happen, what were the arguments. We could give heaps of context, but that's for later.
So these are the actions.
Yes.
So we're going to have to do like a new game. This is a nil game, or it's an error game?
No. You'll get back the existing game if it happens, right?
Don't you think we should just bail on it?
Yeah, okay. Fine. Yeah.
It's errored? Sure? Something like that?
Errored.
That's a perfectly scrumptious
word.
It's a perfectly scrumptious word.
Yeah.
Cromulent.
Yeah, cromulent. It's a crumdiddlyumptious word.
Okay. Reference city. Okay. So maybe it's just nil then.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Anymore.
Errored was a little bit of too much of a mouthful.
That's okay.
Okay, so your new game, actions, and then okay, fine. Yeah, this is good.
So we will then.
And then we'll have to create. Let's head over to game and create an initial events
command.
Yeah.
So perform command takes a game which is empty at this point.
Yeah.
And the command is initialize.
Yeah. Initialize. Yeah, perfect.
With the seed. Pretty nice.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, right. Make me this game that's based on this seed. Perfect. So I like it.
We have perform command, and we have perform command, and this is certainly on the top. Perform command, initialize. Okay, there are too many I's in this word, so I'm going to do it like this. And I don't really want to encode all of these. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm...
Maybe you don't want to test for this.
Maybe I just want to test that says it's a vector.
Yeah, you can do that. You can, yeah, sure, for sure.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So is vector perform command. The reason I don't want to test is that this is going to change a lot.
Yeah, that's why we opted to not test the get even initial events.
Exactly.
To begin with. So this basically just tests that it at least doesn't throw an exception.
You know what? I have an idea. If you will allow me, I will do a filter. And I will do is set seed.
Yeah, that's fine.
First here.
Just find that one.
So just find, I will do a thread last. Nope, that didn't work for me.
That was the thread first.
That was the thread first. Okay, so I'm going to just filter out the single set seed event.
Yeah.
Which doesn't actually exist at this point.
And maybe pass a more deterministic seed in the test.
Agreed. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3.
No. 6, 6, 6.
Okay.
Yes.
Of course.
This is a seed of the zombies.
Yeah, this one I like.
Yeah, that's very good. I like it. So this is not the case. So I will go here. It says perform command initialize.
It takes a
seed, and then we'll just get initial events, which already takes the seed. Perfect. It's full for me.
And now we have to add the set seed action.
Oh, right, because it's not here. Yeah,
it's added at the end.
At the end,
because this. Okay, yeah. I just realized that it should set the seed to be one higher than the seed it was passed.
Okay, yeah. Fix the test then. Neighbor of the beast.
Neighbor of the beast.
Yeah. Boom.
Yes.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so.
And now this is actually perfect because now it's going to fail in Actionize and update game.
And then we can take our new error handling for a spin.
Yep.
Okay, so we have this stuff, and then I want to do this with the actions.
Yeah.
And then I want to do this afterwards. And here is I have my game.
Yep.
And then we're going to do the same thing over again. Right? We have a command, and then we'll get updated game and actions from. Oh, you naughty man. This is the wrong function to call. That's the problem with using the same name. But yeah. So we'll pass in the game and the command. And
we'll put the actions again.
Put the actions, and then we'll have the updated game. And
you just like that.
Oh, yeah.
And it maybe the first game in the letter should be new game, so we don't have to loop game.
Yeah.
It's a bit confusing.
I agree. And then we can just ditch the outer try catch.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was a great refactor.
Yeah, this is a big improvement.
And now it should fail. So let's see.
Yeah, because we haven't implemented this set seed.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Boom.
No machine class set seed in update game.
Yeah, perfect. So, set seed, and for now, just know up that stuff, and then it should fail again.
Yep. And this one is in Actionizer.
Yep. Perfect. So, do we want to add a test for it?
No, because the client doesn't care about the seed at all.
No.
So just
so set seed. seed, and then
just nil.
Nil.
Yeah. Wow, and everything works now. Try to reroll.
Oh my god.
Oh.